Hello everyone. Our today's topic is a bit different, and today I'm going to teach you about an app. You can download this app, or you can just have it on the Google. This is called GeoGebra. There are so many versions, but I think the classic one is a good one, and this one is helpful for the graphing questions, especially if you have a make of a graph. Suppose you have to make a graph of 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2x. These are the graphs. If you want to make, you can make the graphs of y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3. You can make this graph of the inequalities graph also. So what I want you to go through it and understand how it works. So let me take you to this app. This is called GeoGebra. So this is the app. This is called GeoGebra Classic. This one is a classic. This one is having a graph sheets here. The sheet is there. It's a very big one. You can zoom in, zoom out. This one is for the moving of the graph. Pencil and pen is there. You can draw any point, any object, intersecting line, midpoint. You can draw the line segments, vectors. This one is if you want to draw a perpendicular line, angle bisector, tangent. This is for the polygon. If you have to draw a polygon, it's saying four side. If it is a regular polygon, let me ask, uh, say 8 side regular polygon. So you just do it. So you can see that this one is, let me take this, move. So this is the one. So you can draw the different type of things. Uh, you can draw all kind of circles. There are so many things. It's a very useful one, this one. But today what we are going to do is uh, we are going to study basically our today's topic is inequalities, the graph of inequalities, what we are doing today. So this is for the input. If you press it, you can put more input. But let me start before I give you the complete knowledge of all this thing. Is a vast sheet. But let's just start with this thing, input. The moment you press input, you can see the things will come here. Now, if you have to write an equation, suppose I write x, this is y is equal to x, automatically it has come. So if you write x is equal to, say, 4, so you can see this equation has come. X is equal to 4. I want to write another one. So if I say y is equal to minus 2, so you can say that this is a minus 2 is there. You can change the color also of this thing. There's so many things you can do. So this is easy to make a graph. If I write the equation, what we are doing today, let's say I write x plus y is equal to 4. So you can see that this line is passing through 4. To change the color, we'll do it later. So you can change the color of this graph. So you can see this is there. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Equation 1, equation 2, and this one is there. So this GeoGebra is really a helpful tool for you to understand graphical inequalities. So for the graphical inequalities, let, let us delete it. This is for you to understand how it works. Suppose you have to write an inequality. Let me write x is equal to, say I have written 3. Let me make it 4 so that it is x is equal to 4. As I told you earlier that this is going to be a vertical line. X is equal to 4, it is passing through here. Now if I make it an inequality, you can see that all these points are greater than 4. So if I change it into x is greater than equal to 4, you can see. So this one is showing this is as a true area. This area, not the one. So we have to shade this out, and this is the area. So it is going to shade the area which is needed. It is showing this area by this one. So all the area which is of blue color, it is greater than 2. Let's go to another one. Let us say y is less than 10. Now it is showing all the area which is y is less than 10. So the area which is satisfying the both one is this one. So this area is, we can shade it out. Here we have shaded it out, so this area was remaining there. Now as in class we were doing today a question. Let us say I write x plus y is equal to 8. So you can see that this is the line x plus y is equal to 8. Now you can see here, if I write x plus y greater than equal to 8, so this area is, you are going to shade this side, so our answer is going to be this one, this area. If you want to know how it is shading, that how it's going to shade the down one, so delete it, and x plus y is less than equal to 8. Now this is less than, so down part is there. So if you do more practice, you will find this. It's a very interesting one. So your solution answer is this. If you write a question, do the practice, it's very easy for you to identify this one. So I want you to try this. This is a very good app. This app is having so many things in it. You can write the functions of this. You can write this one. These are other mathematical things. These are the numbers, so you can do the square, the function of this. So there are so many areas here. So if we have to write all this, you can write in any. Now suppose I write x square. X square. Can you see this? X square plus, if I write 2x minus, say, 15. So you can see that this is the graph. So you can see this graph. So this is a really interesting one, and I want you to practice on it. Suppose we have to write an inequalities in the graph. Say it is minus 3 is greater than x is less than equal to, say, 5. So it is minus 3 to 5. So minus 3 to 5. So this one is showing the inequalities, the area within this. Always remember this thing. In this app, the area which is in blue, when we were doing the questions, what we were doing is, this area is not needed, this area is not needed, so this is the solution area. GeoGebra is showing this area. That is the only difference is there. I want you to do practice on it, and you will find it's a really wonderful app. Try some question. That's all from my side. Thank you.